Siguro hanggang ngayon, ang alam mong tamang pag-pronounce sa mga salitang nagtatapos sa syon, sure at swal suffixes ay binibigkas gamit ang sh sound as in syon, sure at swal. Tama kaya ito? Tara, pag-aralan natin. Madali lang to, promise. Here's the rule. Almost all words, except when the syllable or word endings I just mentioned are preceded by the consonant S, are pronounced with a Z sound. Use the sh sound kapag nagkataong double S yung word, gaya ng commission, intercession, expression, assure, pressure, reassure, ganun.
Oh.
Also use the sh sound kapag consonant letter din ang nauna sa shun suffix, gaya ng hypertension. Pero hindi palagi kasi sa word na conversion, it's jun sound. Well, don't say the word vision as vision, but it's vision. And take note, hindi siya vision, but it's vision. Stress is on the first syllable. And shun is pronounced as jun. Matika mo, pero ganun siya. Pag Pangasinense ka, madali mong i-pronounce ito kasi it's like saying abot, uleng, ul, pakbet, dinengdeng.
Oh boy.
So it's vision, as in television. Ganon din sa jur at zual. We don't say usual for this word, but usual, visual, audiovisual, consensual. It's treasure, not treasure. Ganon din sa measure, exposure, enclosure.